Business front, rogue real estate agents in the country have been put on the spot by Estate Agents Registration Board of Kenya. This is on the back of many Kenyans losing their money to unscrupulous and unregistered companies masquerading as property dealers in the country. Seen by Elijah Charles Kiage with the details.
I want to start with our presence with the county.
While addressing concerns from Kenyans on the lack of modalities to identifying wrong players in the sector, Chairperson Estate Agents Registration Board (ARB) Ms. Eunice Macharia indicated that some companies selling land have found illegal ways to olex tax land buyers in the country with the aim of staying in a business for long periods, which contravenes the Agents Registration Act.
There is a timeline for you to finalize the process, because some of them are unwilling to finalize the process because they continue to benefit from those processes. When you want to identify your piece, they charge you for survey 3,000. So they have offices that are running, and most of them are unwilling to close. We have them in Kiambu. We have many of them. We have the ones that the ministry was dealing with in Luai the other time. Companies that have they don't want to end, because once you subdivide sale, you're supposed to close the company, but they don't want to do that. They want to keep the entities running.
She has further asked Kenyans to learn the process of buying land and owning property in the country, adding that all property agents needed certificates according to the Act, with the chair lady urging Kenyans to check with the Kenya Gazette for the names of the registered companies and agents.
Well, what we normally say is that if you are buying land, do your due diligence on the land that you're buying and on the company that you're buying from. Ensure that the company is properly constituted by law. And this is what we are saying as Estate Agents Registration Board. We have our members who are registered with the board. Those members operate under a certain code of conduct as prescribed by the board. There are people, if you are aggrieved by a member of the board, you can come to us and tell us, estate agent number that registered by your board has defrauded me of my money, and you are able to follow up and go through the disciplinary process for our members.
Ms. Macharia has further announced plans in place to increase the presence of the board in the county level through consultation with the Council of Governors COG Land Committee. She has also called on the Director of Criminal Investigations DCI to help in the crackdown on drug operators in the sector.
We are conducting regional campaigns. Like end of this month, we have a meeting in Mombasa where we are inviting the persons from the coastal region to come and interact with us. We have also had meetings like in Eldoret and in Kisumu, and we are also moving to the other counties.
For Look Up Weekend, Simba, Elijah Charles Kiage.